Hi, and welcome to the Sanctuary, a quiet place for cozy stories, soft moments, and peaceful escapes. I'm Jennifer Chelsea, and tonight you don't need to rush anywhere. You can leave the noise of the day outside for a little while and just stay here with me. Whether you're trying to sleep, relax, or simply feel a little less alone, I'm really glad you found your way here. You can find me on YouTube at Jennifer Chelsea and on Instagram at Jennifer Chelsea1. And if you'd ever like to support this little sanctuary, you can visit jenniferchelsea.com. Now, get comfortable, take a breath, and let tonight's story begin. Episode 1, The Hidden Trail. The trail begins quietly, almost like it was waiting for us. The trees sway softly overhead, and golden evening light slips through the branches in slow patterns across the ground. You walk beside me, close enough that every now and then our shoulders brush gently together. Neither of us says much at first. Somehow, it feels unnecessary. The forest fills the silence for us. Birds calling softly in the distance. Leaves shifting in the breeze. The quiet crunch of the trail beneath our shoes. I'm glad you came with me, I say softly. I think I needed this. I smile a little at that, because honestly, I needed it too. The deeper we walk into the forest, the quieter the world becomes. Like everything stressful, loud, overwhelming, slowly loses its grip on us. Ahead, the trail opens into a hidden field. Tall grass moves like waves in the wind, glowing gold beneath the setting sun. Wildflowers scatter color across the earth in soft purples, whites, and pale pinks. Wait, you whisper quietly. This place is real? I laugh softly. Barely. For a moment, we simply stand there together, breathing it in. Then slowly, we wander farther into the field. The air smells sweet here, like rain and flowers and summer evenings that never seem to end. Somewhere nearby, water trickles softly over smooth stones. Come here, I say quietly. You follow me toward the sound, and hidden just beyond the grass is a small stream. Crystal clear water catches the fading sunlight like glass. We sit beside it together, not rushing, not checking the time, just existing here, exactly as we are. The world feels different tonight, softer somehow, kinder, sweeter. You lean back into the grass, looking up at the sky as the first stars begin to appear overhead. I wish we could stay here forever. I look over at you for a moment, listening to the stream, the wind, the peaceful quiet surrounding us. Maybe we can stay a little longer, I whisper. And for now, that feels like enough. The evening air grows cooler, wrapping around us so gently. Fireflies begin glowing softly at the edge of the trees. One by one, tiny floating lanterns in the dark. You smile sleepily beside me, calmer now than when we first arrived. And honestly, so am I. Maybe that's what this place was always meant for. Not escaping life forever, but remembering that peaceful moments still exist inside it. The stream continues its quiet song beside us. The stars shine softly overhead. And together, we rest there a little while longer, hidden safely between the trees, where the world finally feels still. Just you and I. Thank you for spending this time with me tonight. This has been The Sanctuary. You can find me on YouTube at Jennifer Chelsea and on Instagram at JenniferChelsea1. And if you'd like to support the podcast or visit my artwork and music, you can visit jenniferchelsea.com. Sleep well, and I'll meet you here again soon.